calling all outdoor enthusiasts. Enjoy nature in style with the luxury KingCamp truck bed tent. Turn your truck into a camper in no time. An expandable 4x4 awning creates shade and protects you from the weather. The tent can fit different size truck beds, with a spacious design to easily accommodate 2 people. With a waterproof floor mat and rainfly cover made of durable and flame-retardant material, you're sure to be safe from all the elements. A convenient gear loft makes for the perfect place to store all of your camping needs. So whether it's hot or cold, let the tent be a safe haven during any type of weather. Upgrade your next adventure with the KingCamp truck bed tent.